So what is it you're doing now?
Just watch out. Just stand back a little bit.
Watch out for what?
Ready?
Yeah?
We're James and Holly, and for over 10 years we've both been spending all of our hard-earned money on travel, but things are about to change.
We bought a house!
And the house we have bought is a doer-upper, so we've got to do everything in the house, and we've never done anything quite like this before, so we're complete novices. Welcome to our new adventure.
Hey guys, and welcome back to episode 5 of the House Destruction series.
We've changed the name, have we?
Yep.
House
Change the
Destruction
name.
series.
More fitting.
If you watched the previous episode, you know that we caused a lot of damage to the house. We did a lot of ripping out, a lot of tearing down of walls, made a lot of mess.
We did.
We thought that was going to be kind of the worst of it.
It wasn't.
It really wasn't. As you're about to see in this episode, that we managed to cause a lot more mess.
Yeah.
Hopefully soon we can turn this into an actual house which we can live in, and it becomes more homely than what you can see here and what you're about to see in the rest of this episode.
But before any of that, we thought we'd give the garden some attention.
Can't hear a thing now. I said the other day about potentially not keeping the log burner. I've got a nice log burner and stuff in here at the moment, which does work, but I'm kind of against having the log burner. I want to get rid of it. By the looks of it, we'll be keeping the log burner. You didn't want this anymore, did you? This is another stump. The log burner. Every day you get to walk through a wall.
I know. I had to do it just for the novelty of it.
Do you want to explain what on earth is going on right now?
We made a big mess, basically, but it was justified because these walls did just need to come down. It was all old plaster and we would have just regressed it if we didn't. We were going to start doing room by room. So start with one, do it, finish it, move on. But then we decided it would probably make more sense because it's such a messy job. Like there is plaster dust everywhere and you can just see. We thought, why don't we just make all the mess now? This still needs to come down, which will be going to the bedroom. That wall over there, which leads to the landing, and then all the way down to the hallway needs to be done. So we're going by the logic of make all of the mess upstairs and then make it good. So now we're in the main bedroom, and this was going to be the first room we tackled when we got the keys to the house, but weirdly we haven't actually done anything in here yet. We've done a lot to the rest of the house. We've kind of destroyed the rest of the house, to be honest, but we haven't done anything in here yet. And the first thing we're going to be doing is taking off this whole wall, stripping it all down, getting rid of the old lath and plaster like we've done in all the other rooms upstairs and stuff, mainly because the plaster is completely blown. So we're going to rip all that off so we can put new plasterboard on and get a nice new fresh clean wall. Oh, and also Holly has chose some paint for this room. We're thinking of painting just this wall one of these two colours. I prefer this colour and Holly prefers this colour, but we'd love to know what colour you think we should paint this wall. Number 1 or number 2? Just saying that I prefer number 2. But I'm not trying to persuade you. We're still trying to work out what to do with this old fireplace. Now, for us, we don't want to keep it in here, even though we found it in this room. We don't want to keep it in here because it won't fit with our decor. Will it, Holly?
I don't think so, no.
No. So we don't want to keep it. And the thing is, we could cover it up, just plasterboard straight over it and completely cover it up. But it actually comes out further than the wall. So it probably means that we'll have to batten this wall to put plasterboard over it to get the plasterboard to cover this up. So the alternative is to get rid of it, is to take it out and take it to a reclamation yard or something so someone could actually buy it, because someone probably find use for it more than we will. So now I've got to work out how to get rid of this or how to take this out. And I'm guessing there's probably not a YouTube tutorial. Do you reckon?
You never
how
know.
to get rid of one of these? I think it's just a case of chiseling away and hope that it just comes out, because there's no visible screws or bolts or anything. So I think it's just been like cemented into place. Shall I have a go?
Do it.
Yeah. That has taken me more hours than I care to admit to take out. What an absolute mission that was. So now we have ripped all of the walls out of the upstairs. We've gone back to the framework of the house. I've now gone round and put up some dust sheets all the way back around this room because a lot more dust is about to happen again. I've decided that I'm going to tear down the ceiling. I've been to and fro for a long time whether to take the ceiling down or whether I should just cover it up with some plasterboard and just hold up what's there. But the other day, this happened and it just crashed down without me even knowing. So I feel like that I've got to take the whole ceiling down. It's lath and plaster again, so it's in those like 2 layers. It's got like the plaster and then it's got all the wooden strips and stuff. There's obviously a lot of insulation up in the attic, so I think the first thing what I'm going to do is take down all of the plaster, leave all the wooden straps or struts or whatever you call them, leave all them up. So then I have to go up into the attic, move all of the insulation out of the way, and then I can actually take all of the wooden bits down. This is going to be quite a big dusty job because it's literally going to be raining down, and I've got Mum here. Mum here is going to help me. She's hiding whilst I'm doing this little piece to camera.
What is it you're doing now?
Just watch out. Just stand back a little bit.
Watch out for what?
You ready?
Yeah?
That's what you gotta do, right? Do you wanna have a go?
No, you're right.
This is the easiest way, I swear.